Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I have to thank God for all of you. We lost and illustrious sons. Yes, say a man passed. Akeredolu is my very, very close ally. And he's a son of the soil. I just came in to wish you a good ẹkọ àṣẹyìndì adé apẹ lórí bàtà apẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ irukẹrẹ a máa pọ̀ sí ojú òní tì àtìlẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run ní kúrò fún yín ẹ̀mí gbogbo àtàlàáfíà ara Ọlọ́run àfi ṣèkẹyìn ó kọ ní kí wàá kì í ni. Ká dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run torí ẹ̀yin àgbàlẹ̀ máa ń sọ wípé ká kú ní kékeré kó yẹ wá ó kàn ju ká dàgbà.
Mr. President, we want to thank you for this visit. You've always have interest in Ondo State matters, both political, economic, even cultural and social. You have always been part of us. You've always been supporting us. On this occasion, I want to thank you very much. Even within your tight schedule, you still make out time to be here with us on a working day like this. I'll call it a working visit. Thank you, Mr. President, for coming. The whole of last week, we were engulfed with the celebration of the life and times of one of the illustrious sons of Olowo, one of our great sons, one of our great leaders in Ondo State, and also a Nigerian by excellence, a patriot. He is also one of your own, one of those that you have also groomed at one time or the other. In 2012, I could remember in Ikeja, when you gave him the flag to represent our great party, ACN, as the governorship candidate in Ondo State. He has always been part of the progressive. But he passed on, and the whole of last week we were celebrating his life and times. I want to thank you for the representation you sent in the person of the Vice President, Senator Kashim Shettima.